Step into the future of high-performance thermal management. Introducing Vertiv CoolLoop Thermal Wall, a modular solution that optimizes cooling, reduces energy costs, and speeds up deployment for cloud and colocation data centers. It delivers precise temperature control through efficient heat transfer and reliable performance within a compact footprint. Unlike custom solutions that require months of planning and production, Vertiv CoolLoop Thermal Wall is pre-engineered and ready to use for high cooling density. Build your system with precision using auto-tuning valve calibration, configurable coil rows, and dual power source options for added redundancy. Push performance further with high static fans, advanced sensors, pressure-independent control valves, and integrated total harmonic distortion mitigation fans. Minimize hotspots and provide more efficient air distribution compared to traditional computer room air conditioning units. It features advanced Vertiv smart controls for easy startup and precise airflow and temperature management, enhancing cooling performance in any condition. Vertiv CoolLoop Thermal Wall brings energy-efficient cooling to cloud and colocation sites, cutting costs and complexity from design to deployment. It integrates seamlessly with Vertiv CoolLoop free cooling chillers and direct-to-CDU systems to deliver scalable cooling for future-ready data centers. Save space, scale faster, stay ahead with Vertiv CoolLoop Thermal Wall.